If you have been looking for ways to fix a monitor randomly going black on a PC and laptop with Windows 10 or 11, then you are in the right place. We have got some effective solutions lined up for you. Welcome back to silicophilic.com, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. Method 1. Check the monitor cables. If you are using a PC, you must check the monitor power and VGA or HDMI cables. Disconnect the cables, wait for a few minutes, and then reconnect them to see if the issue is resolved. Now, if it still persists, try different cables to see whether faulty VGA or HDMI and power cables are the culprit. Method 2. Update the monitor driver. So, the next solution for you to fix your monitor going black is updating the monitor driver. Just head over to Device Manager and find the monitor option. Then click on it and you will see the available monitor options. Now right-click on it and then choose Update Driver. After that, choose Search Automatically for drivers. If any updates are available, the system will display them and you need to install them. Once you are done updating the monitor driver, update display adapters by following a similar process. Method 3. Run SFC scan. If the issue continues to bother you, then running the SFC scan is the next logical process. It will help you identify any corrupted files. Type command prompt in the Windows search box and choose Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt is open, type sfc/scan now. Now, the system will find corrupted files and repair, and your issue will be resolved. Method 4. Initiate System Restore. If you are still facing this issue, then you need to initiate Windows System Restore. First, restart your computer multiple times and it will open Windows Startup Automatic Repair. Now hit Restart and see if you're facing this issue again. In case it continues, then open Windows Startup Automatic Repair once again and this time click on Advanced Options. From Advanced Options, click on System Restore. After that, select a restore point before this black screen issue started. Click on Next and wait for the system to restore all the necessary files and return to working order. Method 5. Boot in safe mode. If opting for system restore has not helped, try and boot your computer in safe mode. To get to that, first you need to open Windows Startup Automatic Repair, which you can do by restarting your device multiple times. This time you need to click on Startup Settings. But if you don't find it, click on See More Recovery Options and Startup Settings. Once you are there, hit Restart and after a few moments, you will see the Startup Settings screen. Then press 5 on your keyboard and launch Safe Mode with Networking. As you enter Safe Mode, first uninstall applications that can interrupt the boot process. After that, disable all the startup items using Task Manager. After opening the Task Manager, right-click on each item and select Disable. Now, reboot your computer normally and see if this issue is resolved or not. And there you have it. 5 quick tips to solve the issue of the monitor going black screen randomly in Windows 10 and 11. We hope any of the methods have worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.